So hi everyone. So today we are learning the third programming of the ADA, which is writing a program to perform an K-snap program using a grid solution. The grid solution means in the K-snap we can divide the particular uh, weight. Okay, we can fraction part we can be done in the K-snap. This one. If you want to compare with the K-snap grid and K-snap 0 and 1, let me explain first the 0 and 1. The 0 and 1 is it should be happen or not happen. How? Let's take an example of any product. Let's take an example of this glass. Okay. Uh, think of the situation. You have a weight of 3 and the profit is 5, and you want the weight of 2, but for this glass you cannot be broken, and you cannot be using means you cannot broke it. If you broke, there's no value for this. If you take on a grinder or machine, something machines, you cannot break it. It means it is 0 and 1. You should take or you should not take. That is the case now. In this program, the K-snap program using the grid solution. The grid solution you perform will help you to use the fraction part. It could be take example of fruits or apple. You have taken the 1 kg apple, but you have the capacity in the thing in the your capacity is 100 gram. So for that 100 gram, you can cut that slice, and that slice can be eatable, right? So this is the grid solution, and that is the 0 and 1. Now, before going for the coding part, let me explain from starting each and everything in this. I can draw that, but if I draw, uh, this handwriting will doesn't come wonderful. So let me read the first question. This is the only the question, and I will solve everything according to the programming. So the question of the fractional K-snap problem by using the grid solution. Okay, we will get this table. We have object, profit, weight. Object, it normally given 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Profit will be given in a way where they will give the value in the weight. This is the your question. Okay, the first step you should do, you want to create a profit slash weight. Means you want to divide profit divided by weight to find a to find the value per weight per weight. How? Why you want this one? We want this one. I will tell in the next step why we are doing this thing. Okay, in this next. Okay, so what we are taking the per unit of the weight profit. So we have weight 2, right? The 2 should be divided by 10. We can separate this, right? This weight can be separated. I think it is a fruit or something. We can separate it, and for per 1 kg you can think it is the 5 rupees of profit. This is 10. We have divided 0.5. Same as it is, we divide for everything, and this will be the first step. The second step, we want to do the decreasing order. The profit and weight we have which have divided, it should be arranged in a decreasing order. You can see here we are in this format. You want to first in a range of decreasing order. According to it, you want to put the object as well. 6 5 4 3 3 1.67 and 1, and this also. Okay, so this is the descending order, the second step. From this step, you want to in this problem itself, you will be given the capacity or else maximum value is a 8 or something else. So we have the capacity, we have given the capacity of 15 units. You can take it units or kg, something else according to your thing. So we got 15 units. So just forgot this one. Now just a minute. Now forgot this one. I have just covered my face here. So you can see the table step one object profit weight. Uh, Weight gain means you have just Just a minute. Yeah, nothing. Here has the column has written in a way where the step is here, objects are here, the profit, where the profit you have written, the same profit has written here, the weight taken has written here. Okay. Uh, okay, means you just write this column names. Answers will be now I will tell you. Okay, so as we now want to do, so you just write a remaining capacity. First, you will write capacity. We are given the capacity of 15. First, you write capacity 15 minus 1. Minus 1, why we are taking the minus 1? We are minusing the weight 1. We need the maximum profit. So we arranged in a this way. So for the I mean, that I was forgot to explain this. So I'm explaining now. We want to calculate, we want to get the maximum profit. If I go like this directly, you can take direct 18 here, right? But if you just calculate this per unit, you are getting the profit of 4.5. But if you take this one itself, I mean 6, where is 6? Yeah. See, for per unit you are getting this because weight is less. From 1 kg you are getting this 6 profit. If you put the 4, you're getting the 18, but it is getting the 4.5. So you should compare this as well. So we are writing the per unit of the weight. So we are dividing the profit divided by it. So just when you practice it, you will getting out. But when I'm telling, you will be remembering when you do the next time with your hand. You should calculate once again. After this video, you should practice yourself. Then itself you will be getting out. Okay. Now when we come for the remaining capital, you will write here 15 minus 1. You just minus this particular thing, and you will get the 14. Same as it for 14 minus 2, you will get the 12 for this one. 12 minus 4, you will get 8. 8 minus 5, you will get 3. Now, 3 minus 1, you will get 2. Right, 2. And 2 minus, here we are having 3. Okay, remember, see perfectly. We have 3. So, we want only 2. Right. So, what we do, we will convert in a fractional part. So, what we do, 2 divided by 3. When we do the 2, 2 divided by 3, we will get the value of only product of 2. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Then the capacity becomes 0. There is nothing to put. So you want to calculate the value of 2 divided by 3. 2 divided by 3, your profit is gaining that profit will be this much, 3.33. You want to just calculate this 2 divided by 3, we'll get I think around 0.0006 something around. So you just divide into it, and the fractional part there is for object you do not require. uh, for the profit you should calculate this one, and for this particular 2 divided by 3 you want to put, if think it has instead of 3, if it is having 2 directly without doing any fractional part, you can just directly do, and nothing to worry. But now we got this 3, we should divide it by 2 divided by 3. If it is having like the capacity is 1, what you will do? Yes, exactly, you will do 1 divided by 3. Yeah. Now the step 4, the calculating the total profit. The total profit, like you will add these things, right? This 6 first, 10, 18, 15, 3 and 3.33. The total profit will be 55.33, right? The final answer is maximum profit is the cash snap is unit 15, the object take none of. Okay, not required this one. Okay. Yeah, this is the things. Yeah. Now we will implement this in a programming way, line by line, and I have reduced the code. You can aramse learn it. Okay. And we are defining the snap with the greet method, greed, right? Greed method. In this, we are passing the value of value, weight, and capacity. Okay, I'm just writing a short form way. So we can write n is equal to length of val or something, but it is not required. We will not use anywhere. So first, so I now I explained you. This is your program. Means this will be your question. Okay. Let me write the question first. According to this. Okay. Before defining, we will define the first main function. Okay. Name is equal to main main. Yes. Okay. So value. The value means the value also called as profit. Profit also called that value. Okay. So our value is first 10, 5, 15, 7, 6, 13, 3. Let me take it. Just a minute. Yeah. Let me just note down. So the value are 10. Repeat. See then just confirm. 5, 15, 7, 6, 18, and it is 3, right? Yes, it is 3. For you guys, the weight is not clear. Let me just, yeah, 18 and 3. So now I will just write the weight. The weight is 2, comma 3, comma 5, comma 7, comma 1, comma 4, comma 1. Oh, yeah, right. Yes, it's already done. Then the capacity, you can see the capacity is here, 2, right? Capacity is equal to 15. Sure. Done. Yeah, let us close this. Yeah. Okay. So we got the profit means VW capacity. So let me just what should we do now? Let me call a function. Before calling the function, from the function we are getting the values of maximum value and the selected items. Selected item is not required, but for the satisfaction of the output is important. The maximum value is very much important. Okay, is equal to case snap of reading function. We are passing the v, w, and capacity. From that, it will give the output and print. I'm just writing a full main function. Okay, then we will write the function afterwards. Okay, the maximum value is j, comma max val. Okay, print. Oh, print the value, no, not value. We are printing the, yes, we are printing the value and the wait, how it has compared. You will get to know what I'm talking about. Okay, don't worry. Search items, and yeah, that's much only here. Now we'll come to the function. Now we will write the function. So as I told you, with this one. So as I told you, first step we want to calculate the profit divided by weight. So to calculate this profit divided by weight, what you will do in the programming way, you will go for the program and you will write per unit. You can write anything, but I'm writing per unit, it's enough. Or else you can write a ratio, okay, anything else. After writing the per unit, you want to find the per unit. Just a minute, what is it? Per unit, we are just taking the profit divided by, right? So you will be writing, oh my god, yeah, you are writing like this. Profit, for profit we are taking the v divided by w from vw. Okay, in no, not in, comma, yes, comma, v, comma w, in zip. This is a little bit you want to learn, my dear friend. Okay, from value, comma, means we are zipping. We are zipping. I will tell why this line is used. This line output, when output will be coming, I will explain this thing. Okay, if I forgot, don't worry, you will be understanding. So we did we did the first step, right? What we did the first step? The first step was we calculate the profit divided by weight, right? The second step is what is it? We are doing the decreasing the order, right? So same as it is in this as well, we will do the decreasing by using the function called as sort. By using the sort function, we will do this. Reverse is equal to true. Okay, got it? So reverse is equal to true. When it is true, it will become like this. 65433 1.67 like that. Got it? So it will become like this. And we want to define two variables that are maximum value and selected items. Let me that selected items. Okay, I it is enough, right? Everybody getting to know. Let me copy this. Sometimes it will become spelling. Yeah. Now I will write a condition. If the capacity means no, the weight should be always less than or equal to capacity. What it means, which we having this weight, the weight should be not greater than this capacity. When this condition is true, yeah, sorry, before we come writing this, we should write this. We want to write a for loop. We write in the per unit, right? Instead of per unit, I will write r means ratio value and weight for in. Then we will write per unit. This is the thing which we are just, from this values we are just iterating, right? So in this for, I will write if condition. I told now I did right. Weight should be less than or equal to capacity. Got it? When it is true, we will calculate the maximum value plus, with the maximum value means profit. Value means profit, right? P means, P is also known as means profit. We are taking as a value. So value is V hour, right? Then we are selecting selected items, right? Selected item. Let me just paste it because sometimes it's become wrong. Well, selected item dot append. We are just pushing it out inside it. So we are pushing it out. So the V comma W. Okay. Then when we come for the first condition, the value is added. Means, let me just explain. The third step, we are doing this thing actually now. Now first we want to minus the value, capacity value. Capacity value is minus with what? Weight. Got it? I'm doing right? Correct? So first what happened? It minus the value from this and then add this profit value in the variable called as maximum value. You're getting it? Yes, wonderful. So the next is else. If you not write this else condition, the fractional part will be not working. So the fraction, F-R-A-C-T and fraction, forgot about the spelling. Okay, fraction. In this fraction, what we did, so in this fraction you can see we are dividing the 2 divided by 3. What is this 2? 2 is our remaining capacity, right? Am I right? Yes, the remaining capacity means you want to write capacity. Means, see here, when you just in if condition itself, the capacity will be minus 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 till when it is not satisfied this condition, means or something like that, it will come for here and it checks this condition, and this capacity should be divided by our weight. Am I right? See the weight? Yes, where is it? Yeah. So you can see this is our weight. Got it? So now it is correct, right? Now, after the fraction, we want to calculate the maximum value. Here, maximum value is equal to, can you guess what will be the maximum value should be plus, it's equal to, with the uh, fraction, into, come on, with into, come on guys. Okay, let me just see. Subtraction should be multiplied by 5. 5 means profit, right? Profit, what is the profit? The profit is V. Yeah, sometimes if we see the problem as well, you can understand. So profit will be multiplied by V, and selected items, right? Selected item, let me just paste it out. Okay, oh sorry, selected items is equal to, means not it is equal to, we are appending this. If we append the value, the append is a function. Inside that function we want to write another bracket, and now we want to see, you can see itself here itself, we are getting the value 3.3333. If you calculate, you get 3.33. So to reduce into 2, we will write which function? Yeah, which, that is, we have function, right? Which one function? Yeah. Round figure, right? Round, ROUND, round. In this round function, we just pass this fraction. Let me copy and just paste, and into V, the same thing, just we are passing with a comma of, can you guess what will be your passing here? 2. Why? Fraction should be coming 3.33, that's all. It should be end with 2 decimal values, then comma, and we are passing the capacity, remaining capacity, that's all. Right, now this is the end of this. Yeah, do you want to write anything else? No, nothing else. So now, yeah, we want to write one line of code, which is very simple. Return, we'll return RETUR, return RETURN. Return, we are just returning the thing, right? Maximum value and SCID. So just let me copy and paste, or else I will write for you guys. Maximum value, and we are passing the selected item. Selected item. So save and let me run. If I run, some of the errors definitely it will come. Let's fix the error. Okay, we got the errors. Let us fix it. If you not get the errors, it is not as called as programming. Okay, so in 27th line we're getting there. Okay, this is the function, don't worry about this one. Think about this. Okay, per unit. Oh, okay, between V. Okay, so cannot access the local variable V where it is not accessible. Okay, it cannot be able to access the V. Okay, per unit V divided by W, comma V comma W. Yeah, something like it. What it? There is something. Okay, everything is okay. I think it feels good. Let me remove this one. Okay, okay. Mm, let me run this. No. Yeah, within your permission, just a minute. Okay. Mm, yeah, I did one small mistake. I cannot say it's small, it is a big mistake, but as you are the learners, it's a small mistake. But as an developer, it is a big mistake. We are need to iterate. So we should put for, yeah, for putting the variables in zip. So this should be a compulsory thing where which you want to do, and why it is coming again. So the V, why unrestricted case spaces, VW, yeah, and when we write this for, After that for we should does not having any pump. Got it? So okay, now we get the next error. Let's solve the next error. So the next error is maximum value. Unbounded error cannot be accessed the local variable where maximum value where it is not associated with value. Okay, line number 6. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, this one. Yeah. We have written the variables, but we are not assigning this. Something we should assign. So first the initial value will be 0 and the starting will be this. If I not write this also, it will show the list is something like that. Let's see what will the error. Yeah, see, we got the error. The errors you should be able to identify which error will be coming the next. Okay, name yes, not defined. It's showing as not defined. It's okay. You write this and it will confirm. Yay, wonderful. We got the output wonderfully. So now the maximum value of we got the output. So let me configure it. Uh, Before we do, just a minute, my dear friends. Okay, what is the output? What was the output? 55.33. Okay, something is problem is there. Let us just where is it? Yeah, it is here. So capacity, okay, fraction, okay, and yeah. One thing we forgot to do, that is the capacity will become 0 here. We need to put it. We need to we have if we did wrong. Yeah. So or else you can write like this. Means we need to write this. Or else you can write like this. Yeah, you can write this one. This line same as it is. This line. Can just copy and paste this here and just run it. No, 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 no. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Oh, you when you write that, it will become yeah. You just make the capacity 0. That's all. Don't take attention. Okay. Let me run this program. Yeah, you will get the output exactly same as it is. 555.363. Okay, we got the output same as it is. Right? See, 55.333. If you want to do a round figure, simple. Come for the program. Yes, for the maximum value. Before maximum value, just write rotate around in the spark and just and which after you want only two and just boom, you can see 55.33 is your maximum value, and this is the things which is coming out. So I hope you understand, and if you not understand, please take a pen and a book and just write it out, just practice out, then it will be going for the head, or else it never go. Okay, bye bye.